Hey guys, so happy afternoon. It's Monday afternoon for us. We are headed into North Carolina to a grain place to try and get different food for our chickens. Our chickens have not been laying, and we know they slow down in winter. It's normal biologically, and we allow them to do that. We don't use heat lamps or anything to supplement them to force them to lay more. But we usually get at least half of them laying an egg a day. This winter, we're lucky to get one egg every 2 days, and we have 10 chickens, so that's pretty bad. We've been reading on a lot of poultry groups and homesteading groups that I'm a part of that a lot of people are having this problem, and they're citing certain food brands as being the issue. That all of a sudden they've changed the formula in these feed brands, and their chickens stop laying, so they've switched to a kind of organic grain feed, and it made a big difference. So we are going to try that. Right now we feed them the Purina Layina pellets. I think that's Layina. And they're just not producing at all. So we're gonna go to this place in Moyac, North Carolina, try out a different feed and see what happens. So we'll keep you guys along with us for it.
We just got done picking up the chicken feed from Currituck Grain Incorporated, and it's significantly cheaper than the store brand, well, the Purina brand that we buy. We bought a 50-pound bag of egg maker feed, which was only $11.75, and we pay about $27 for a 50-pound bag of Purina. And then we also got a 25-pound bag of scratch feed for $6.50. So the grand total was $19.48 after tax. We're definitely happy with that. We will be coming back. It also gives us an excuse to go to one of our favorite restaurants, Southland. I don't think we have the Southland sign anywhere, but yeah,
But I love it.
Yeah, we get some barbecue, a fish basket, whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and get some lunch real quick. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the girls eat this for about a week or so, and then we will show whether or not it affected the egg laying. hopefully it does. This is definitely a lot better of a price, and hopefully it's better for them. And hopefully this is more of an organic way to feed them. Anyways, we're gonna get some food because I'm hungry, and I'm sure Nikki's hungry too, and we will show you guys what we get. So I got a pulled pork sandwich and fries, and we got a dozen hush puppies, and then Nikki got a minced pork sandwich, pork barbecue. Yep, good stuff. We're about to eat. You excited?
My favorite.
All right, let's do this. Man, lunch was delicious. I'm all full now. What about you, baby? All right, so we're gonna head back to Chesapeake and pick up a trash can to put some of this feed in. We already have a trash can in our shed, but it's not big enough to do the scratch and the egg feed. We wanted to cut into this video real quick to show you guys the feed that we got. We ended up getting a little metal bucket. It's not really a trash can because we only got 25 pounds of the scratch feed. So Nikki's gonna go ahead and pour it in, and we'll show you guys what it looks like.
Yeah, we could definitely fit.
Oh yeah, we could fit. Shoot, we could fit 50 pounds in there.
Yeah,
probably.
we could probably fit 50 in here.
Well, that's good. We have some remaining scratch feed that we can throw in there. We'll go ahead and show you what we used to get. The flock party. But yeah, so that stuff is
a 10-pound bag for
like 13 bucks or
like
so.
11 bucks or no, I think it's like $9.99.
Either way, that was $6.50 for 25 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there we go.
Like that.
That's much better.
And then
I do get them beetles and worms and stuff too.
So we can throw that in there.
Yeah, that can go.
And then that's the remaining Purina we have. So we're gonna go ahead and just throw the new stuff on the top.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes, and then we'll finish that off as we get to the bottom. But anyways, we'll go ahead and show you what that looks like too. Oh, it's more like crumbles.
Oh, okay.
Not pellets, but I mean, sure they'll still enjoy it. They eat just about anything.
Yep, and this is their egg laying feed. So it's definitely a lot of ground corn. I think there's wheat, all sorts of stuff in there, but it's definitely crumbles versus pellets.
Yep.
That's okay. They got food now.
Definitely, we're going to continue this video at a later time, like I said before. So we're going to go ahead and end it here. And then, once, if they start laying, we'll show that. If not, we'll show that too and be honest about it. And
They're better with the price of eggs right now.
Yeah, eggs are ridiculous. But, yeah, they're not really paying their rent right now. So we're trying to fix that and at minimal cost. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoyed. And hopefully we can show you guys some eggs.
Some eggs.
All right, guys, take it easy.